In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take off this case of this TCL Android phone. Now when I got it, I just popped this case on and I didn't think anything about it, but when I wanted to access the SD card, well, I couldn't figure out how to get this off. So I recommend you first shut your phone off. Just power that off. And the reason is so that when you have your fingers on here, you're not going to be accidentally activating buttons. So now flip the phone to the side like this and look down at the bottom and you will see a very small little gap right here. Now a lot of videos say that you can put your thumb in there and try and pry it out, but that didn't work for me. So I grabbed just a little screwdriver and then you can just gently put that in there. And when that gets to snap, well then you can get your thumb in. Okay, just be very gentle. And so now you have access to the battery, the SIM card, and then you can use your micro SD card and put that in right here. And then to replace it, all you do is just put it back on, give it a little snap, and you are ready to go.